wake of the Black Lives Matter protest back in the summer of 2020, there was a day of strike declared in STEM across the world for people to sit back and reflect on the lack of representation and the systemic racism within our fields. Within our group, our research group, we realised that there are just not enough faces of colour within our field, and this lack of representation can put people off from trying to get involved in the fields of STEM because they don't see themselves as scientists or as physicists. So we decided that what we could do was maybe do something to celebrate the work of black physicists.
We decided to put together a list of black astronomers that we were all super inspired by. As you can imagine, that list was really long because there's lots of exciting physicists in our community that are black and are doing current research or have done research before. So instead of making posters of everyone, which would take a very long time, we decided to settle on just 6, and these 6 individuals could become a permanent exhibition in the physics department. The focus of the posters is the art or the portrait of the person themselves. We want people to feel they have a personal connection with this person and not just a list of facts.
To accompany the posters, we created a website to host profiles and more information about the people featured. We want this to also be a place that we keep updated and expand in the future with more information. We'll be hosting an event to unveil the posters where we'll be welcoming Dr. Theron Carmichael to talk about his experience as a black astronomer. We hope this is going to be a space where faculty, students and the wider community can discuss their experiences and learn about the exciting work from the people featured.